Hey netizens, hope you are having awesome day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to super simple way to make your phone images look sharper and cleaner in just a few taps. So if you enjoy tech tip that makes your life easier, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icons. So let's get started. So first of all, you open your Chrome browser or Google. So I have to choose this Google Chrome browser. So click open here and try to find out image increaser or increase resolution. So I have to try increase resolution. So let's to find out and try. So you can tell we have to choose the first one. So let's have to make a try this cutout pro. You can see this cutout pro. So I have to just choose this one, click open it. Now this is a tools definer. You can choose the upload image in open your gallery. So I have to try this image. So this image used look like more blurry type. So that's you make it sure this choose anyone. I hope this not find this better quality, so I have choose another one. So let's have a make a try my different image. So how look like fill one I think it's a remove hole, so I will try again. Before and after. So I think this sum of like login credential. So let's make it first login this one. So I have to choose my difference Google Chrome. So I think it's little better. Now this is a login, you can see. Yeah, there have 1 credits. So let's make it try. So let's make it saw this. This is a before. You can see my face hatter and correctness, and like this one more sharper. You can see before and after face enhance. So I hope this video helped out more, and you can see more color gradients my shirt and this shirt. Some of like have to remove this better quality. I hope this video helped you more. So for more quick and easy tech tips, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Stay safe and stay smart.